So this is what it's going to look like right after you unbox it and set everything up. You can see that there's still wrinkles on the sides here because this was just compressed. Going to see wrinkles in the pillows. All this is going to go away. So now we're going to let this sit out for about 96 hours and I'll check back with you. All right, so I just let this sit out for 96 hours. The description says to leave this out for 48 to 72 hours, and that'll get most of the foam to just raise up and the wrinkles to come out. Now, this cloud couch is absolutely amazing and it is so comfortable. This is going to be made with a high density foam that feels great. And then also we have like a corduroy fabric on here. This is going to be the orange color. These also come in green, gray, and beige. So that makes it a little difficult to choose the right one, but they are all a great choice. Now, I love this couch because you could change this 5 different ways, and no matter which way you put it, you're gonna be comfortable. This couch also comes with these pillows that are very soft and fluffy, so you can just throw one of these behind your back and be totally comfy. You could be chilling out, watching TV, hanging out with friends and family, and the couch just looks great. Now, my favorite thing about this couch is that you can move this around in so many different ways. But before we do that, let me show you a couple other features. Now, taking a look at the side here, we do have framing going around. So this is going to be a piece of metal, and I like the way this company does this because it actually has a fabric on here that goes over the metal. As you can see, it is a frame and you can pull this down, and now you have a functioning pocket where you can put a TV remote or some magazines. You're also going to get that same exact thing on the other side. And then in the back, as I slide this out, we're going to have a longer framing in the back. So it's going to give you a lot of support. I do like these frames because if you lean and push on the side, it keeps these cushions on. But one of the highlights about this cushion is it's flat on top. So you can actually rest like a coffee, a laptop, and you can actually put things on here because it's almost like a table because it's flat. Now let's go ahead and change this thing around and see some of the options we have. In that quick and easy, you can have this thing laying out as a bed. This is probably one of my favorite ones just because I like to throw the pillow behind me and I like to lay here and watch the TV with my wife. You can just hang out, throw some snacks in the middle, and just have a good time. But this one right here is so chill. This one right here is another good one because you can kind of just like hang out and study together and have different separated sides. Here's another way you can have this if you want to hang out and be able to look at the person in front of you, and you both can have almost like a bed to lay out and lounge around. This one's pretty cool. This one's pretty nice because you can hang out, be able to talk to the person in front of you. You can have a whole bunch of snacks in the middle, and it's just so chill for watching movies, hanging out, studying. This makes this the perfect item to have in a dorm room or apartment. I absolutely love this. And then all you have to do is just pull this apart in the middle, and if you have people staying over your house, this just turned into 2 separate beds, making it so practical. And then you can easily throw this back into the original shape, giving you a nice practical couch that takes up little to no room. With this 78-inch boneless couch, it makes it perfect for your dorm room, college, living room, bedroom, or basement. There are a ton of options that you can do with this boneless cloud couch, making this an absolute perfect option for you. Make sure you add this to your Amazon cart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.